Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make chicken curry, very ordinary chicken curry. So it will be very ordinary, simple as I make every time. So I hope you all will like it. So come on, let us start the recipe. This I have taken 3 paws of chicken here. Now while making the curry I will show you the ingredients. Put some mustard oil, put the bay leaves, put the khara garam masala, put some jeera, put in the chicken, put in the onions, cut up onions, put in the salt, put in the turmeric powder. This is the curry masala which has got chili powder also in it, mixed up. I will let the chicken and the onions fry. The masalas which I am going to use, this is ginger, garlic, green chili and black pepper paste and some jeera also. Friends, the chicken and the onion is almost fried up. Now I will put in the masala. The paste which I made and kept. Now I will fry the masalas along with the chicken. Friends, the chicken and the masala is fried up, you can see. Now put in the cut up tomatoes. Add some water. Now I will let the chicken cook. Now I will cover it up. Friends, the chicken curry is cooked up. Very ordinary, very simple, very fast cooking. Thanks for watching my video.